Tired of expensive international money transfers? Today, we're diving headfirst into how to open your very own Worldremit account and start sending money abroad quickly and securely. First, head over to the Worldremit website using any web browser. Look for and click the Sign Up or Create Account button, which is usually located in the top right corner. Now, it's time to fill out the registration form. You'll need to provide your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, email address, and phone number. Make sure you have valid information as you need to verify. Next, select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. This determines the sending options and regulations available to you. You'll then be asked for your address details, your street address, city, and postal code. Double-check these details for accuracy. Worldremit will then ask you to confirm your email address or phone number. Choose your preferred method, either via SMS or email. After choosing your method, there's a code being sent to you. Input the verification code you received. Create a strong password and re-enter it for confirmation. Now, you will need to start setting up your preferences, which include how you would like to pay. You can use debit card, credit card, bank transfer, etc. The options will vary according to your location. Finally, and that's it, you've created your Worldremit account. Now you can easily initiate your first money transfer. Happy sending!